Hello traders, this is TFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys you are doing great. Without wasting time, guys, I think it has been a while before I share the results on how our TFX Renko Sniper is functioning, or the great work of the TFX Renko Sniper. All right. So I just want to show you the result of 3 days ago, because this account was funded 3 days ago, and how great work this system now is doing. Remember, I shared the video and said now it's more upgraded more than before. All right. So allow me, first of all, to go to history. This is today's history. All right. Today is the 20. This is today. Some entry was for yesterday. All right. So let's go to. We can go even like three because we want the result. And as you can see, the account here was funded with $10,000. And let us move here and see how great this system is. You can see account was funded on 24th and today is 27th. So it's that day. That day you can see the great results that are here. And we are going also to analyze the running trades here from AUD USD and AUD JPY. So it is good to see and to approve what I'm telling you, that now the system is the best, my friend. This one will change your life forever. Remember, this is the system combines full price action and SMC. Not only that, but with also technical indicators to make it more profitable. Now, what we upgraded this system is that now it has all-in-one order block. Let me call it all-in-one order block because this is from three major time frame order blocks, then they combine them into ones. All right. So when it is giving us a sell here or a buy here, it is not just an order block, but order block from three different time frame. And this was a dream coming true or comes true. So let's analyze this. And as you can see, also, I want to help you understand how you can long trade using this system, the setup that you can use to trade long. Remember, this system can do scalping, and at the same time, it can go short. But at the same time, you can also learn how to do or how to trade long. All right. So this is scalping and short trade. So this is why you can see the result are different. The what we call the profit are different. We have 57 and we also have 6 because it must detect if there is somehow a reversal in other small time frame, then it can exit from the market earlier. So let us analyze this AUD USD. As you can see, it is a buy. All right. This is our buy, as I've been telling you. After this reversal, all right, then this is our buy. All right. So the market, the EA took the buy from that point. All right. Now ready to go up. Let's go to chart to see what's happening. As you can see, we are on up trade. We have hidden the super zone or sub-D, the supply and demand zone, to make it easier. It is now an in-build so that it can make the charts being lighter because it is working a lot. It has a lot of things, so some are in-build now. All right, so because it cannot show them or indicate here or attach here, and then at the same time attach on what we call EA, right? It cannot attach into both charts, Renko and candle charts, because that one, it will be too much. So again, let us analyze this AUD JPY. You can see there is a buy here, and market is going well. And again, let's go to this point. You can see from weekly. Remember, this is a weekly low. This one help us understand when now the weekly is not broken and the market is about to go up, or the buyers or AUD is about to go up, guys. All right, because here it is where you can see there was a liquidity here. People were swept here because people thought this is a support ABCD. Things can happen. This is market, my friend. This system only enter the market according to a weekly time frame or a weekly high and low to help us understand, because we want to bank each and every day, each and every week. And I do believe you are still following my videos about the courses, and I said I will share the full courses, I think, on our VIP to make sure you understand the strategy so that you can do it by your own. Or, there are some people, me, I don't want system, I don't know, but I will still give you a free course or system, not system, free course, so that you can understand how you can work with this a profitable strategy. So these are just a minor pullbacks, then the market will continue going up. So guys, you can see this is how the TFX Renko system works. You can see there is no loss. All right, this account I'll be sharing with you every time, and you will be seeing the growth. But don't waste time. I do believe, guys, you have already subscribed to our YouTube channel and you have followed us on our Telegram. 3 days remaining. 3 days remaining. Those people who are in our Telegram, I do believe you know what I'm saying. It is good to follow us on our Telegram. We always have gift there. There is no need only to be a YouTube subscriber or YouTube TFX family, but also follow us on our Telegram so that you can get your gift and your gift there. So let's now go to how to set this system so that it can help you to go long. Let's say, for instance, this trade, I'm going to give an example with this trade. As you can see, the market entered here, the market reversed and went up. And since this system works from different time frames and it has a lot of things to analyze before giving the signal, this is why it's so accurate. If you want to go long, all right, if you want to go long, this is what you should do. First of all, you must pause our algo trading here and attach the same template so that you can make some changes, all right? The changes that you only need to do here, because you want to go long to hold and you want to go for more profit, the only change that you will change here, let me show you, it is very, very important. So number one, what we are going to reduce, it is the, it is the look back of our super zone or our supply and demand zone indicator. You will get it here. Let me show you. It is here. So since we want to go long, we are going to reduce this into 10, all right? And the limit of 10, so that it cannot pick the trade when we have more than 10 bricks. That is very, very important to notice that. So we can set from 10 so that it can pick trade, market reverse, then it can continue. You can hold for long because it gives an accurate signal. So it's good to know that with this system that you can go short, you can go scalping, and also you can go long. It's a universal system that works with every broker in the Forex market. So that is number one of what you are supposed to change. Now, since you are going long, we are going also to increase our target, all right? So the target number one, you are supposed to the target number one that you are supposed to change, it is account balance. Where is it? Where is this? Where is this? It is very good. All right. Account profit target. You can see the account profit target here. It's like 2% of the account. So at least this time, because you are going long, all right, you are going long, we can target like even 10% and above. All right. I do believe you can test this on your demo account so that you can see the percentage that you can set. All right. Me, I'm just giving you an idea that you can go beyond 2% of your target. You can go even 10, you can go even 20, because from here to here, guys, it's more than 20%. So test this on your demo accounts before you apply on your real account. But this is the setups that you are supposed to change, or the only setups you are supposed to change if you want to go long. You can test this on your demo account before before applying. All right. So the second thing, again, we are going to change our trailing. All right. So our trailing here also, we can change our trailing into, let's say, for example, when we get into 10%, we want the trailing to be open on 9% of our account. It is simple as that. This means that if you're targeting from 10%, you can start trailing at 9% because it can go even more than that. All right. So it is good to understand those are the only things that you really need to set up so that you can go for long. Other settings, you can let them stay like that. So let us go back again. There is another one we must change, or that one is already changed because there is a time you would like to trail. All right, there is a time you would like to trail with our high and low. So this one, we must change this one now into 80% of our weekly high and low, and then we can set here like 7%. All right, it is very important to set here 8% and 7%, the trailing of the high, our high and low indicator. Then from there, we can go again to what we call here entry bar. Entry bar here, we have a trailing with the entry. This is a daily candle. We can trail with a daily candle when we reached into like 80% of that candle again. All right, we can start trailing with 70%. All right, it's 80% and 70% trailing stop. All right, so trailing start can start on 80% and trailing stop can start at 70%. The same thing with our high and low. This is the things we are using to make sure that we are profitable, or every time we can capture we can bank, we must bank. And if they manipulate one, they cannot manipulate all. This is why we have a trailing for a daily bar. All right. And this is why the same thing, we have also the trailing of our high and low. What is this trailing of our high and low? Let me show, for example, let me show you an example with this AUD USD. All right. So this means that if let's say, for example, let me open something here so that it can help you understand what I'm trying to say here. All right, let me try to bring my daily. I want to open my daily here so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, even without bringing the candle here, we are talking about this candle. This is a daily bar, all right? This being a daily bar, you can see, you can enter the market, but the moment this candle will go up, the 70% of this candle, then it can open a trailing. So this helps us to bank every day, and this is for those people who want to go long. So that long, we are not taking long for going 7 days or 8 days. We are talking about our daily income. It is very, very important to understand the language when we say we go long. Even if we are trading daily, we are not just holding a position for several days. No, we are talking about the current week. We can trade 3-4 days, but in that single week. So we are not going above or beyond a weekly. So this means if from here to here it is 1 week, or from here to here it is based on a weekly, for example, you can see from here to this place, this is a weekly, because this is a weekly high and weekly low. So this tells you can hold this trade for this week, and when it reaches like 80%, because we are almost like 80%, it will open the trailing at 80%. So that is one of the things that you should keep in mind. So let's again go to the last setting, because it is very, very important. The last setting we are going to advance here, it is our break trailing, or our break take profit. So here, let me show something here. Here we are going to exit. Let's say, for example, we can set like 50, not 50. We can set like 30. no, it's good to set like 30 bricks. This means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the entry point, 30 bricks or 20 bricks. So this is why I'm telling you it is good to set to test that on your demo account before applying in your real account, so that you can see whether you use 20, not less than. It should be more than 20 bricks, all right? So that means that when it reaches to 20 bricks, then it can close. And we still also have a brick trailing. Oh my, this is amazing system, all right? This is amazing system, my friend. Where is we have it here. All right. So this means that if we don't want to exit with the 20, we want to trail, we can set like 20 bricks. All right. And again, here we can set the trailing to open on our 18th brick. So this means when we reach at 20 bricks at this point, then the trailing will be open behind that with 2 bricks. So it will be 18 bricks to secure your profit just in case. So this means that this system is amazing. It has everything to protect your account, and it has everything to make sure it banks the money. This is why even if market try to change or to play the game here, it must exit, because there is a lot of things to exit with. But this is the setting. If you can keep it, that is very, very important to help you to trade long or to trade if you want to trade long. Or else, if you don't want to trade long, you want to trade the way it is, it's very simple. It is a plug and play. You don't have to change anything except what I've been sharing with you about the account balance. And that is what we set by default when it comes to you. If you are using, let's say, for example, you are using $500, that is the start balance you just set here. From there, you don't need to change anything about the lot size. It can remain like that. Or if you have if you have account balance of 500 and this is 500, remember here you can change into 0.05, because that is what it means by money management. Then from there, you don't need to change anything. It is the work of the EA from there to take care of your trade. So guys, I do believe you understand everything that I'm sharing with you. And let's go back to where we were, because you remember after you have made your changes, because this is where you are. Let's say, for example, you have set everything according to the way I've shown you, then you can come here and replace the template. All right. You can replace the TAFX Renko Sniper. Then from there, it will run, or you'll be trading long. It is simple as that. And from there, you'll be a very, very successful a long trader, because it is not just a long trade, but it is a long trade after a proper analysis. All right. As you can see at this point, you can see we were coming from high, but we didn't have any sell until this point, and from there, boom, it can only give signals when a lot of things are confirmed. This is why I've been telling people, or I've been telling you guys, that this system, the way it has been programmed, my friend, you cannot do that as a human being. Even if it has been programmed by a human being, the work this system does, my friend, it is abnormal to a normal human being. It can make human, because there is a lot of things to confirm in Forex market before taking trades. Not the easiest way, the way people say outside there. It is not the easiest way as mentioning price action or SMC, because people have been using SMC and they have been still failing. I don't say all, some. Some people have been using price action and still failing. And this is why, even if the market is 24 hours running, you will find that some people, they just want to master London hours, or Tokyo, or whichever, when the market is moving fast, so that they can capture their there are some few dollars, then they're out of the market. But with this system, my friend, trust me, you will be banking 24 hours because it's a plug and play system. All right, guys? So guys, that's all I have to say for today in this video, because I just want to share with you and how you can trade long and to see the result, the performance of the system so that it can encourage you. And I'm still repeating, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't stay there. Make sure you follow us on our Telegram so that you can have your gift there, because we have a gift that is going to end on date 1st of this date 1st of April. So guys, it's up to you. Follow us and make sure you gift yourself with this system. So thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.